how to sign up or log into WhatsApp. If you want to either sign up or log into your WhatsApp account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch your WhatsApp application. So to log in or even create a new account, you need to have a phone number. Without a phone number, you will not be able to create a WhatsApp account. You cannot say that you want to create an account with email address because that is simply not possible. So go ahead and then make sure to basically enter your phone number right here, and make sure you have access to the phone number, whether it is on this phone or another phone. Right now, most of the times what happens is WhatsApp will actually first call the number. If not call, then it will send an SMS code to the number. So all you have to do is simply enter the SMS code that WhatsApp provides you. In this case, in my case, this SIM card is in another phone and I have received the code there. So I'll simply go ahead and then basically enter the code. As I've done that, it will ask me if I have any backup and so on that I want to restore if I had account previously. But if you are a new user, then you will be asked to choose a name for yourself. Once you choose a name for yourself, you can tap on the next option and so on, and you'll be able to log in or create your account as well. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.